Good evening, everyone. This is Sourav Mishra. Today I'm hosting Mr. Sanjiv Bhasin, the market guru. We are going to talk to him about his portfolio ideas for 2022 and what should we expect from the current market volatility and how investors should position themselves. Over to you, Sanjiv sir.
All our banks came out with startling numbers, which tells us that cost of money being low, banks are seeing robust growth on credit side, and their liability franchise is doing extremely well. So my top pick there is Axis Bank in the large cap. I'm very bullish on Bank of Baroda, but my dark horse will be Union Bank. Union Bank will come out with stellar numbers. This stock from 45 can go to 75 in this year. Second, we come to infrastructure. L&T is my top pick, but IRB Infra is going to outperform. It has just raised capital from two of the largest sovereign funds, and they are doing extremely well on the FASTag and the expansion in network on road monetization. Third, we come to technology. I think technology has been beaten down far in excess of valuations which were overstretched. Now is the time to put your money. I think HCL Tech and Wipro will give you extremely smart rallies in the next week, starting from the first. I would be very, very bullish on HCL Tech and Wipro. On consumptions, I like Godrej Consumer, and I also like Page Industries. Now we come to autos. I think autos are going to be in a very sweet spot. As you've seen, Maruti hit a 6-month high despite everyone being bearish on the four-wheeler. And we think the government can do extremely well as the PLI for semiconductors and other industries in auto starts to align. So Eicher Motor would be my top pick. Eicher not only because of Royal Enfield, but because it is the third largest player with Volvo Eicher in commercial vehicles, and their dumpers are doing extremely well as infrastructure picks up. Second would be Mahindra, the biggest beneficiary of the SUV and the tractor sale. And thirdly, not last, Ashok Leyland. I think these three will fit the bill perfectly. In infrastructure, BEL numbers yesterday beat everyone's expectation. 1.5 rupee dividend, 23% was their margin, and the net profit beat the street by miles. 240 rupees is coming by BL because of the defense expenditure going up, made in India, and now they are doing Internet of Things for US companies. So BL continues to be a top pick. Second would be Cummins India, and third would be GMR. GMR is now, by the way, Saurabh, Delhi airport is doing 4 times more traffic than Dubai, and AeroCity is up and running. GMR, according to me, in this year will hit 75 rupees. It is the best proxy to play on growing traffic, on the sale of alcohol on the duty free, and expanding AeroCity, which is doing extremely well. GMR, by the way, now is a demerged company. This is purely the airport business. Plus, now you have Air India, which has been privatized. And also, as a disclosure, 2 years back, Tata's in their private equity put in 8,000 crores in DMR in the airport business.
Right.
Next, we come to cement. And yesterday, Saurabh, the people missed the woods for the trees again when cement prices have risen by 30 rupees a bag in Central and South India. Ultratech has 114 million ton capacity. It will be laughing its way to the bank. And the other second pick would be Shree Cement. Both are heavyweights. Both will outperform. I am looking at Ultratech hitting 9,500 and Shree Cement hitting 35,000. Next, we come to metals. Yesterday, Nippon Steel in Japan has raised long steel products prices by $800 per ton. So I think the biggest beneficiary in India would be Jindal Steel, followed by SAIL. Both the valuations are extremely lucrative, and I think you can get a 20% upside in both these stocks. So I have given you a lot of the stocks. My dark horse over here on the real estate would be, again, not dark horse, the top name DLF and Godrej Property. My dark horse here on the solar energy is a company called SW Solar, where Reliance Energy has just made an open offer for 40%. Right. And we think the Shapoorji Pallonji group will now exit, and it will become a fully fledged owned company by Reliance. At 380, this has a very good risk reward of doubling in this year, as this is also the largest player of MEP in India, that is mechanical engineering plumbing work. And execution in these projects, they have a lion's share of the business. So Saurabh, I think I've given you a lot of the portfolio. Right. We can again review this, But fingers crossed, you will be surprised on the upside as we wait through the first week of February. And I think the budget can set the cat amongst the pigeons. The FI selling may be coming to a climax. And if even 10% of those 1,30,000 which has gone out comes back, then 19,000 is surely coming very, very fast. So I am very, very sure that we've seen the worst, and we think February could turn out to be the best month in the last 3. Over to you, Sourav.